Little bit different video today. This is kind of impromptu, but I just had a really good idea and I wanted to get your input on this idea. So I came in for my workout and this is a space where a lot of ideas flow to me. I usually keep a notepad down here when I'm working out because a lot of ideas just come to me during my workouts. So had an idea, ran up and got my mic and thought I would record this. So I've been thinking a lot about what would help you the most when building a business. And I think a lot of you are probably at the starting point of not really even knowing how to start a business. And I did film my course, and my course is up, which I'm partial, but I think it's really phenomenal. And I think that it really helps you when starting sourcing products. So that is up. But I think that growing businesses and starting businesses, especially if you are, a mom in your 30s or 40s or 50s or whatever it may be, and your friends aren't doing this, it can be kind of a lonely road. And I have definitely experienced that. And so I've been thinking a lot about how to kind of create that community and how to bring you along for the ride. And something I've really struggled with is what the best way to do this is. And I think that, for the longest time, I've done one-on-one coaching. And as great as that is, it's a 6-month commitment from me and from you. And it's a lot of money, a lot of money. And I've had a lot of successful clients that I've worked with that have started their own businesses and done amazing. And I've had clients that I've worked with and have started businesses and, they're doing okay. And I've also had a couple clients who never finished the process and they've paid all this money and they never finished the process. And that's hard for me. I don't like taking money from people and them not really getting the full value out of it. And I have to charge what I charge for one-on-one because it is so much time for me and so much effort and so much thought. And if I took that amount of time and put it into my own businesses, I'm basing it off of what I could make doing it myself. So I've kind of shied away from one-on-one recently because I just want everyone to have success. And I don't want people to pay all this money and not have success. So I've really been trying to think about a way that I could do this as a group coaching situation and help the people who really want help, but also at a more reasonable cost. And so the thing that I've really been thinking about is starting a brand new business and taking you behind the scenes of the entire thing from the very start to, from sourcing my products, the ideas, everything up until me selling the product, running Facebook ads, marketing, all that kind of stuff, getting it on Faire, showing you results, showing you behind the scenes. And I could do that with my current business, but honestly, that business I'm kind of at a crossroads where I need to change it into a full-time year-round business, and I'm not quite sure what that looks like yet. And so I don't really feel like I want to bring you on that journey because I don't really have a clear vision of what that looks like at this moment. So right now I've kind of just decided to sit with that until after my daughter graduates and then kind of look at that business. But I have a couple of ideas for new businesses that have really been intriguing to me. And I do think it would be fun to bring you along on that behind the scenes and kind of walk you through exactly what I'm doing and the steps. And then also possibly on the side have some sort of group page. A lot of people do Facebook groups, or I know School is another platform, something like that, where you can ask questions in a chat type format and I can go in and answer questions and help you. And this would be for people who are actually starting a business or have just started a business. And also for people who are just in the US. I don't want to do international because I'm not familiar with international policies, with anything like that. I don't even ship my products internationally. I do through Faire, but not personally on my own Shopify website or Etsy or anything like that. So that's kind of what I'm thinking. That's kind of where I'm at. And I just would love a little bit of input. And if you feel inclined to leave a comment below, that's great. You can also reach out to me via email at startyourbusiness101yt@gmail.com. I'll put that on the screen and down below. And just let me know your thoughts. Let me know if this is something that would help you, if it's something that you're interested in. I think I just need a little bit of guidance from you on what would help you the most and where you would get the most value, because I really want to help people start their own businesses. I actually just read the other day some meme on Instagram that was like, the people who have the most freedom are the people that you see at the gym at 10:30 a.m. on a weekday. And to me, I love working out. And to me, that is ultimate freedom. Going to the gym at 10:30 on a weekday, like that right there embodies why I sell physical products and why I'm self-employed and why I think it's amazing. Now, is it for everyone? No, but if you want to do that, it's definitely possible, or just to have a side hustle to bring in more money. And I genuinely want to see more people start their businesses and help them do that. And so this is just a way that I think could be beneficial to help you start your business. So if this interests you, leave me a comment, send me an email, something like that, and get in touch with me. Let me know your thoughts. And the goal would be to keep it lower cost, but there would be a cost to it, and just a way to help you kind of start the process of starting your own business. So a little bit different video this week, but let me know your thoughts. I would greatly appreciate it, and have an amazing day.